Hello and welcome. We are excited to invite you to our documentary premiere, Curse of Stigma, a powerful story on the challenges faced by African women with epilepsy due to discrimination and deeply embedded cultural beliefs. The event will be hosted at Century Cinemax Sarit Centre, second floor in Westlands, Nairobi, Kenya, on Tuesday, the 13th of May 2025, as from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. Tickets go for 1,000 Kenyan shillings, payable via M-Pesa. The pay bill number is 552100. The account is COS. The funds will go towards supporting patients with epilepsy access to medication. Let's break the silence. Don't miss out. See you there.
Epilepsy is such an interesting condition that people don't want to talk about.
The stigmatization that is attached to epilepsy is mainly also associated with witchcraft.
I felt like my head was spinning. I didn't understand what it was. I think maybe I'm bewitched. Maybe I'm cursed.
The world is full of evil people. It will help a lot to know that through sharing this, we can reach many people who are undergoing this and they are not talking about it.
We need to tell our story with our voices.
The only thing we need to do is reach out to the people.
This is the right time that people need to come on board. Being epileptic is not the end of everything. There's no option but to embrace these people.
Thank you.